Think about the one thing you're convinced would finally make you happy. A promotion, a higher salary, or finally feeling like you've made it. We're usually told the formula works in one direction. Once we reach the goal, we'll be happy, and then we'll feel grateful. But fulfilled people suggest we've been taught that formula backward. Gratitude isn't the result of happiness, it's the cause of it. To shift that state, you need to interrupt the noise. This is the stop, look, go method. A sequence designed to change your baseline perception. This doesn't require a total life overhaul. It's built to work within your normal routine using the technology you already have by focusing on environmental changes rather than relying on raw willpower alone. The goal isn't to add more to your life, it's about processing what is already there differently, moving from a feeling of scarcity to a sense of enoughness. The real obstacle is constant motion. Your brain navigates a relentless stream of notifications, messages, and deadlines. Moving this fast, we stop seeing things as gifts and start seeing them as expectations. Your phone, internet, and relationships feel like guarantees rather than privileges. Because we treat these things as guarantees, we rush through them. We scroll past the present, delaying our appreciation while we wait for something bigger to happen in the future. This digital momentum accidentally trains the brain to feel like nothing is ever enough. When your mind is always in a state of reaction, it loses the ability to notice the very things that lead to satisfaction. Step 1 is to stop. Since it's hard to just slow down when your phone is designed to keep you hooked, you build digital stop signs, physical rules that create intentional interruptions in your day. First is the 10-minute morning rule. Don't check your phone for 10 minutes after waking up. Next, the app opening breath. Take one deep breath before tapping any icon. Finally, mealtime distance. Keep your phone physically out of reach while you eat. These aren't big changes, and they might feel a little uncomfortable at first. You're not aiming for a total digital detox, just a brief break in your momentum. By creating these interruptions, you starve the brain of constant stimulation. This creates the necessary space to move to the second step. Once you've stopped, you look. This isn't about deep thinking. It's about actively directing your attention to basic sensory inputs that are happening right now. You look for things that are real, but often ignored. The taste of your food, the warmth of the sun, or your simple ability to breathe. When you truly notice these ordinary things, they begin to feel like enough. It's important to be clear. Looking does not mean you have to be grateful for pain, injustice, or loss. If you are struggling, there is nothing you need to force yourself to feel even in difficult times. The focus shifts. You aren't being grateful for the struggle itself, but for the opportunity to respond to it, the chance to endure, to grow, or to support someone else. By consistently noticing these present moments, you retrain your brain's baseline. You move away from constant craving toward a quiet sense of appreciation for what already exists. The final step is go. After you've noticed a moment of enoughness, you take one small external action to share that feeling with the world. This could be as simple as smiling at a stranger, sending a quick message to someone you care about, or showing up to your next work task with more presence. This changes the quality of your day. On the left, living from scarcity makes you compete and protect. On the right, living from enough allows you to connect and create. When you operate from a sense of fullness, you aren't acting out of fear or lack. This shift fundamentally changes how you interact with everyone around you. Happiness is something that emerges when you stop chasing it. It is the byproduct of interrupting the noise, noticing what's here, and acting from a place of sufficiency. You now have a simple, actionable sequence to step out of the endless "I'll be happy when" loop. Consistent practice of these stop signs teaches your brain to trust a new pattern. Over time, you'll likely find yourself feeling less rushed and less dependent on specific outcomes to feel okay. Life will not always be good, and the world will continue to move faster. But while your circumstances may not change, your relationship to them can. The next time you catch yourself waiting for a future event to finally feel satisfied, catch that thought and pause. Look around you right now. Find one thing that's enough. Take a deep breath and then go.